No, no, I get up. No, 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 I get up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I get up.
Hello everyone, this is Sabi Musafir, and this weekend I decided to spend my time in the city itself, and I'll be taking you guys along with me, so stay tuned. So our first stop is at CTR in Malleswarapuram. Thank you. So as I ordered, this place is very famous for the banne masala dosa, and we got the chutney and the pudina also. And previously I had ordered the kesari bath, and this seems so tasty. Let's try it. The dosa is crispy, I would say, and it has a hint of desi ghee, and the chutney is really awesome. As you can see, I am at Eat Raja, and they have given me this their trademark juice, which is chili guava. And believe me, this seems really tasty. And the concept is like they have scooped the inside of the guava and they have made a juice out of it, and they have sprinkled the red chilies. And let's taste and let's try it out. How does it taste? I would say it's a must try if you are in Bangalore, because this is a authentic, and the best part is that they are not using anything, any plastic out here in their shop. The whole concept is to reduce the plastic usage, and the concept is also. And I'll be interacting with the owner of Eat Raja, the Raja himself. So I'll ask my friend Raja, say hi.
Hi, Namaskara. Thank you so much for coming.
Yes. So, since you told me while interacting with you that you're not selling a juice simply, nor not a product, you are selling an experience.
Yeah.
So, I want to ask you, what is your point of selling this experience to the people?
So the whole idea is, see, anybody can sell juice, but to sell an experience, it has to be really very strong in terms of a concept. And here at Eat Raja, the core concept, because since we are not selling juices at all, we're selling a concept. The concept is of zero waste.
Yes.
So it's very difficult to. Somebody said that it's almost impossible to run any business without the use of paper or plastic. I said, is it really true? Why don't I do it with my own shop and then set an example? So I came and saw, in fact, any juice center for that matter, they'll always use a straw at least.
Oh, yes.
And then paper, plastic is like very silly
Yes.
used. Then I decided, can I live without these things? Then I looked at a fruit, like a watermelon. It already looks like a cup. It's a God made one.
Yes.
So I cut it into two, scooped out the fruit, put it back, the juice in that, and I served. It looks exotic because it is Instagram worthy, and the moment you look at it, you feel like smiling.
Yeah.
That's a great thing. I said, this is an experience a glass or a paper cup or a plastic cup can never give. People are really awesome because one, you're getting the fruit in its own, like when you have a guava,
Yes.
you drink the juice and eat the fruit also. Then you look at your hand, there's nothing left at all, which
Yes.
means that there is no waste generated.
Yes.
You ask yourself, wasn't it a good experience? It's a guilt-free experience.
Yes.
And that is what I felt people are starting to love. When they feel like, oh, I didn't generate any waste and it looks good, it makes me feel happy.
Yes.
And I've got more likes on my Instagram and social media.
Okay.
What more do you want? That's
Okay.
why I said, okay, we are not in the business of selling juices, but an experience.
Yes.
After this, they don't keep quiet. They go tell it to 10 other people and they get more people to our shop. And every single person, patron who comes to our shop is our brand ambassador.
Yes. Hi friends, and as you can see, I have come to Hari Super Sandwich Shop, and it's in Jayanagara, Bangalore. And the best part is it's famous for its sandwich, especially the American cheese corn. So let's go and have a bite of it. The corn is actually sweet as mentioned, and the cheese is so creamy because it's hot, and the food is tasty and I'm enjoying right now. And I would recommend everyone out here in Bangalore, it's a must visit place, and you have awesome sandwich to try out, to do visit this place. Hi friends, I'm at Pulkesi Nagar and there is a place called Kunafa World, okay, which is a dessert place. And as you know, Kunafa is a Middle Eastern dessert, popular dessert rather, made up of semolina dough. And I've ordered one Nutella Kunafa. Let's wait and let's see how it is. The order is ready and our Nutella Kunafa we are. It's crunchy. Since I ordered the Nutella one, it's filled with Nutella. The base is cream, so you can feel the flavor of milk cream downside. On the top of it, we get the chocolate flavor of Nutella, and you can garnish it with a bit of honey. It's kesar honey rather. And this is a must try. I would say this is a must try place in Bangalore. Hi friends, so I am here at Equilibrium Climbing Station, which is situated in Indira Nagar of Bangalore. As you can see, I'm here right now and we'll be doing the climbing practice. And before that, I need to do the warm up right now, and it's very exciting. I feel it's one of a kind experience, and everyone should try this. In fact, so let's see how it goes. Hi everyone, today I'm going to a sunrise trek to Uttaribeta, and as you can see I'm traveling in a bus and with my cool friends bunch of. Let's see how it goes. And as you can see, we have started our trek and I'm traveling with a bunch of cool people with Jatin this time, and let's see if we reach the top. I'll make you see what the view looks like. So as you can see, we started the trail. So this time the trail is a Pakka road, I guess. Yes, they have maintained it really good, and we'll be going through a lot of steps, I guess. Hi friends, today we are at Uttari Beta and today I have with me right now the founder of Plan the Unplanned himself, Mr. Jatin with me. Say hi.
Hello everyone.
Yes. So Jatin, I'm going to ask you one simple question. You know, this COVID period has given us a drastic time and we have started to come out of our homes and feel the fresh air. And the one simple question, why do you think despite COVID-19 still existing, why should people travel?
People should travel because it's been a long that everybody has stayed inside, and we have somewhere forgotten our daily life where Monday to Friday we used to work and weekends we used to look out for travel, and that suddenly has gone missing due to a lot of panic created by the pandemic. And now our life has more become of a panic status rather than enjoying our day-to-day lives or our weekend trips. And in that case, we are just not being normal.
Yes.
To get back to that normal state, everybody has to travel and take the basic preventive measures, which is using of face masks and sanitizers, and just continue to live your life without fear. That will be more helpful for everyone, and that will give a lot of positivity as well. So I would suggest everyone to take the step out and explore and live your life the normal way.
Yes. And congratulations for Plan the Unplanned being 4 years.
Thank you.
खजवाने